I wanted to give a demonstration of the EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop floor cleaning system. Setup is quick and simple. First put the microfiber mop head on the mop. Next screw on the handle. Then fill up the bucket with warm water and your favorite floor cleaner up until the spinning device. Next, get the mop head nice and wet. Then move it over to your spinning device and put your foot on the kick pedal that will start the spinning operation. And as you notice on the handle, I let my grip go loose when it spins around. Really cool system and works great for taking the water out of the mop head. Now watch as I put the mop to some good use. I did end up mopping a lot more areas in the house, and here's the results when emptying out the bucket. I was really impressed with how smooth and effortlessly it was to mop the floor.